What do you want? Are you angry? Why are you mad to me, huh? You are still hungry? No, this is not your food. This is not good for you. This is paksiw with onions. It's not good in your health. Your body is not designed for eating onions, even ginger. This is not good. You want to eat? There is an ajinomoto here in my soup. Papa, excuse me, Papa darling. Konoha wane hami kiniste ko ne onegaishimasu. It's brushing time. Siko kasi tinututbrasan yan gabi-gabi namin ni Papa. Gawain ni Papa yan. Si Papa tututbrush pag sometimes Papa cannot brush his teeth. Ako yung gumagawa. Marumi na yung ano niya. Yung lagyan ko ng color yan because the doctor advised me to put this color. Kasi kinakagat siya, ayan oh, nangangati siya. May ano siya may kinakagat siya yung ano niyang paan niya to avoid that this is the mark of his body. This is pocket or wallet from Disneyland, Tokyo Disneyland. So this is a flashlight. This is a light. So, quiet ko, yeah. Ayan, light, and there's another light here. This is also a light. So it's just okay. After it may I will take you a bath. Ligo ka, mag-shower ko. And go to your Papa. Papa, just wait, Papa. Just wait. Ayan si Papa. Ano na siya. Nahuga si Papa. Open your mouth ka dati ko, okay? Oh, very good. Tumahimik na siya. May Papa skate. Papa ari there. Si Papa yan. Okay, finish dati ko. Go back to your bed. Ito kami sa sahig, yung favorite place namin. Anyway, ito yung namin kasi, nandito yung malaking aircon condition namin. We have an aircon, so centralized na to. And there's also a big aircon there in a big room. Papa, will you please, mudos ni santuare. Lagi kami dito visited by the aircon. So, the Japanese government and the television and the others concerned people or communities advise us to put a roof or what is para yung kasi we are here in the lowest place, so lowest na highest place, so it is not advisable to neglect your things. That's just like oh, never mind that. Never mind. Anyway, we are in the center of what is earthquake. So 3 days before, there's an earthquake. Also earthquake naman. So I rather. What are you doing here? Go. What are you doing? So, yan pag nasa stress siya, gusto niya yung niya, nagwawala yan. Minsan, kahapon, gusto niya magpakarga. So, kinarga ko. Hindi ito mabaho ko kasi malinis ng aso namin ito sa bahay siya. At saka, mayroon siya, pag ayaw niya lakad sa labas, na nakapaa, gusto niya. Ever since baby pa lang siya, yung 2 months, gusto niya karga siya na sana siya, used to cuddle, so that's it. And the most worst that I did to him is naapakan yung buntot niya. Lagi ko naapakan. Kahapon naapakan ko naman, Yung buhok niya nakakalbo sa buntot, kawawa nga eh. Tatagalo. Kaya I always careful to avoid the accident. But sometimes I cannot avoid it. Ito tinalian ko, so why I put less. Ito yung lumang less na to eh. Meron siyang 4 dyan na klase na less, pero ito yung nilagay ko. Kaya ano na siya. Dahil tatanggal na yung ano niya at saka luma na kasi ito. Ito, may kapareho sila, mga red color. Mayroon din dyan isa, no, chocolate brown. I'm planning to buy new less for ko, but there is no available for his size. See, and place where there is a display supplies for the animals, like this all I check the sizes, but there is no size for ko. He is 7 kilos and the available there is only for 3 to 5 kilos, then for 10 kilos. So I have to find another place at this pet store. So go back to your place, just a fun. Ito yun, another bago to eh. This is new, this is color new, you know. Every morning I give him milk, fresh milk. Only 1/2 tablespoon, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon. Then I give him also what is that, supplement during dinner only. So this is it, because the doctor advised him that Ko is 14 years old, so she need a supplement. Pero anyway, hindi naman siya nagkasakit ng iba pa ngayon eh. Salamat, thanks to God. And only the kidney, there's a small stone in his kidney, so he needs to treatment of the doctors. So every week we are there in the animal hospital or veterinary for dextrose, and the dextrose is equivalent of the tablets or syrup medicine. So select dextrose instead of medicine or tablets or capsule, and because Ko don't like them tablets medicine. If I give him a medicine, even I mix in his foods, he doesn't like to eat, so pumayat siya. And the doctor warned us that this is not good to him, because if your dog is more than 8 kilos, you have to maintain that. Mabot kasi si Ko ng 8 kilos dahil nga hindi kami naglalakad sa labas. Ayaw maglakad masyado sa labas. Sinasusugatan ang paa niya, umiiyak siya. So he's all crying, he want to cuddle only. At ako nahirapan. So he has a baby car and a bag. So that is why I cuddle her. Even when I perform a rosary, she's sitting beside me, and also she used to pray together with me, and after that praying, she love a sign of cross to his head. So I use that. That is Ko is the substitute of my only girl, because my only is not here, so he is our new baby. Anyway, he's 14 years old. This last 2 months ago. His birthday is June 12. So this is it, because ako na yung sahig ko na lang nakikita nyo. Ito yung ito yung may mga black dito. Anyway, that is the result of tobacco of my husband. minsan at sa mga visitor, ayan sila upo, sila nahulugan na upo sa gagalit ako. Pag sometime yung anak ko, my daughter, there is a visitor and his visitor is smoking, so nahulugan yung mga ano. Also my visitors also smoker, so that is the result. So wala na akong pinapapasok dito. Visitors not allowed again kasi nakakasira lang na sa labas na kami nakikita at least. Anyway, yung ano lang, hirap kasi sa susundod yun eh. Hirapan ako, nagtatabako sila, ako hindi. Tsaka na ano yung bahay namin. Kasi yung asawa ko, even my husband pag nagtabako siya, smoking, I did not allow, when I'm here, I did not allow them to smoke inside our house. I told them to go to the terrace and also under the exhaust they want to stop smoke, but my visitor is selfish, they want to sitting down around yung ano. So ayun, yung kapitbahay ko rin na Japanese, tabako siya, babae yan, nanay din siya, may anak din siya, ano nagtatabo. She's also a Christian, Protestant Christian, but is smoking, para isang heavy smoker. So ayan, nagtatabako siya habang salita, nahuhulugan ilang beses na habang nagdadaldal sa akin. Ako naman nahirapan, kaya may sakit ako sa puso, mayroon akong thyroid gland disease at saka may skin disease. Minsan sa stress ay depression ako, nakasakit sa depression. So that is the real story of my life, dahil nga stress din sa buhay. Eldest ako kasi babae, yung kapatid kami. We are, in my sibling, we are 9 sibling, and the youngest brother is already in heaven, and that and the remain is 2 boys. My kuya, he is a public school teacher, and the other one is cameraman. Yes. And second to me is the boys. So and the fourth, my fourth sibling is girl, then girl. We are six girl siblings. So I am the eldest in this girls only, huh? So I have a eldest brother. So my brother, my kuya. So my kuya sometimes call me. Anyway, the wife of my kuya is now in heaven. She was gone last 3 months ago. And due of the heart attack, not in COVID. So kawawa nga pa, but luckily my kuya is very loving and to her family. The children is 2 only. The girl is now in college, and the youngest is senior high school. So senior high. That's it. Tulog na siya. Why I put the, you say tulog ni Koom, I put the plastic para to avoid ihi, ano yung mabasa sa ihi. Ito lagyan ko ng plastic yung binob ko. So yan, so, minsan nababasa niya sa ihi, hindi siya nakalabas. Kasi why I did put less, because of the earthquake. Panic, I don't know where is, sometimes I don't know where is school, where is school and where is Papa. So I'd rather to put that instead of look where is, you know. Marami kasi ditong kwarto pa na ano, papasokan niya, hindi ko alam kung saan kahanapin. So yan lang siya, pag umihi lalabas siya. Andyan mga ano niya. Ayan, thank you. And sometimes you sing may ano, there is a rope. This is for earthquake support, kasi pag move yung building dito, yung mga table, delikado, sabi ng ano, kaya kailangan maging vigilant, so always alert. And that's it. I'm talking in you. And God bless. Bye-bye.